guys, welcome to Tidbits of Life. Today let's make some delicious and tasty oil-free snack, that is veg paneer roll. So let's see what are the ingredients we need for this veg paneer roll. First I have made a dough, soft dough you will be needing. For that you have to take 4 heaped tablespoons of wheat flour or atta and 4 heaped tablespoons of all-purpose flour or maida. I have mixed 1 teaspoon of salt in it, and with hot water I have made this soft dough. And then I have taken this much of paneer for 2 veg rolls. I have taken 1 medium or small sized onion and I have cut it into dice, and I have also taken a green bell pepper or capsicum and cut it into dice. I have taken just 1 teaspoon of butter. I have taken some sauce. I have taken mango pudina sauce 1 tablespoon. If you don't have mango pudina sauce, you can also take some tomato sauce 1 tablespoon. I have taken red chili sauce 1 tablespoon. I have taken green chili sauce 1 tablespoon. And for garnishing, I will be needing some mustard sauce, some chaat masala, some cucumber and onion slices, and 1 slice of lime. First prepare the paneer filling for the veg paneer roll. First you have to take a pan, heat the pan. You don't need any kind of oil, butter or anything. Just put all the sauce whatever you have taken. You have to take the red chili sauce, the mango pudina sauce or tomato ketchup, the green chili sauce, and just add some water, some hot water preferably. Add some water in it. Then add the onion and bell pepper. Saute the vegetables for few minutes in the sauce only. You don't need any kind of oil or anything because this is a very healthy snack. I am not using any oil or any other masala in it. Saute the onion and bell peppers. Cook it for a few minutes. Then add the paneer and a pinch of salt. And your paneer filling for your healthy snack veg paneer roll is ready. Now we'll be making the rotis or the tortillas for the veg paneer roll. Let's make the veg tortillas or the rotis for the veg paneer roll. First you have to roll the dough like a roti. The dough which I have already made and shown in the video earlier. I have to make one big size, this size roti or tortilla by rolling it like this. Roll the roti and then put it in the frying pan like this. And fry it. Flip it like this. Let it cook for a few minutes. Again flip it. Just add half a teaspoon of butter or less than that. And if you don't want to add butter, don't add it. Just cook it like that. I am adding just less than half teaspoon of butter and frying it. Like this. I'll be frying both the rotis like this for the veg tortilla or paneer roll. It's getting prepared, see. Do it nicely. It will taste very good when I'll make it. Put the filling. It's almost done. So my tortilla is ready. Guys, my tortillas or rotis are ready. My paneer filling is also ready. So let's make the veg paneer roll, tasty veg paneer roll. Take one tortilla, some paneer filling in a spoon. Place it in one side of the tortilla or roti. The saucy, non-oily, tasty paneer fillings. Put it like this. Then put some onion slices and some cucumber slices like so. Sprinkle some chaat masala. Add some mustard sauce for extra taste. And then start rolling it like this, like a roll. You can say this is a paneer veg tortilla or a paneer veg paneer roll. A very tasty. And wrap it with a clean paper like this. And your tasty veg paneer roll is ready. Serve it to your guests or your children. All will love it. If you like my channel, my recipes and my tips, then please do subscribe to my channel. And you can share the recipes and tips with your friends and relatives too. Till then, thank you and bye-bye.